Step inside a busy, noisy tavern in the year 1340 and get ready, because the food people ate might really surprise you. As you open the wooden door, it makes a loud creak. Inside, it's warm, smoky, and very crowded. People are sitting close together at long tables. Some are travelers, some are workers, and some are soldiers. Everyone is talking, laughing, and eating. But here's the strange part. There are no menus. You don't get to choose your food. You eat whatever the tavern has that day. Let's look at the most common food, bread. This bread is not soft and fluffy like today. It is dark, rough, and sometimes very hard. It is made from grains like barley or rye. Sometimes it even has tiny bits of dirt or husk in it. And here's something really surprising. People used bread as a plate. Big, thick slices of bread were placed on the table, and food was put on top of them. After eating, people would either eat the bread plate or give it to poor people. Now, let's look at the main dish, something called pottage. Pottage is like a thick soup or stew. It is made by cooking vegetables like cabbage, onions, and herbs in a big pot over a fire. Sounds okay, right? But here's the shocking part. That pot was almost never cleaned. New food was added again and again, every day. So the stew you eat today might still have bits from yesterday, or even last week. Sometimes, if they had meat, they would throw in small pieces, but the meat was not always fresh. And that brings us to meat. In 1340, there were no refrigerators, so people had to keep meat from going bad by using salt or drying it. This made the meat very salty, and sometimes it smelled bad. To hide the bad smell, people added spices. Sometimes people didn't even know exactly what kind of meat they were eating. It could be tough, chewy, and not very tasty. Chicken was rare and expensive, so most people didn't eat it often. Instead, they ate whatever was cheap and available, even bones, organs, and leftovers. Now let's talk about drinks. You might think people drank water, but actually, water was often dirty and unsafe. So instead, people drank ale. Ale is a type of beer, but very different from today. It was thick, cloudy, and sometimes had tiny bits floating in it. Even kids drank it because it was safer than water. Some people drank wine, but it was not always good quality. It could taste sour or be mixed with water. Now imagine how people ate all this food. There were no forks. People used their hands or knives. Many people shared cups and bowls, and they didn't always wash their hands before eating. It was messy. Food could fall on the table, and people might still eat it. Sounds crazy, right? But for people in 1340, this was completely normal. Taverns were important places. People came here to rest, eat, and talk to others. After a long, hard day, even a simple meal felt special. Friends laughed together, stories were shared, and for a little while, people forgot about their tough lives. So next time you sit at a clean table, eating fresh food with clean water, think about this. Think about the hard bread, the never-ending stew, and the salty, strange meat. Because the truth is, most of us today would find it very hard to eat like people did in 1340. And that's what makes history so interesting.